Most people don't know these uses for WD-40, but everyone should. These tricks can really make life easier. Today I'll show you a few ways to use WD-40 that can seriously make your daily life more convenient. Every home can benefit from a little WD-40 on door hinges. When your doors start squeaking, just spray some WD-40 into the hinge gaps. Once it soaks in, the door will swing silently and smoothly again. Here's a surprising one. WD-40 works wonders in the bathroom. Most people don't know that you can spray it inside your toilet bowl. WD-40 helps remove and prevent those stubborn yellow stains. It's actually perfect for the job. Stop using water to clean under your car's hood. I've got a much better trick. Spray WD-40 on all the plastic covers and surfaces under the hood. The grime and grease will literally melt away. Just wipe it down afterwards. Your engine bay will stay cleaner longer. WD-40 removes dirt, oil, and grease, and also helps loosen tight bolts. It's smart to coat certain parts with it to help prevent rust. Have you ever dealt with dirty, foggy headlights and were quoted a ridiculous amount by a mechanic to polish them? Never overpay again. Just spray WD-40 on the headlights, wait a few seconds, and wipe clean with a cloth. The result is amazing. You'll see the difference immediately. WD-40 does a great job cleaning and restoring clarity to headlights. Clean them like this from time to time and they'll look great. Tired of your kids scuffing up the car doors with their shoes? Those dirty marks are visible from a mile away. Just spray WD-40 on the door and wipe it down. The scuffs and dirt will disappear. You can use this method on any plastic interior parts. It cleans and conditions them perfectly. Here's a simple windshield wiper hack. If your wipers are leaving streaks, just clean the blades. Often that's all it takes, but if you go one step further and spray the blades with WD-40, they'll be relubricated and work like new.